Question number 106. Which of the following is not a benefit of hydroponics? First option, controls soil-borne pathogens. Second, can regulate pH for a specific crop. Third, can be used in areas having thin, infertile and dry soils. Fourth, high cost of setting. See here, what is hydroponics? Hydroponics is a soil-less growth of plants in a nutrient medium, and it controls soil-borne pathogens. True. Can regulate pH for a specific crop. It is also true. It can be used in plants having thin, infertile and dry soils. Yes, because soil are not used over here. So fourth is high cost of setting. It has high cost of setting, but this is not a benefit of hydroponics. It's a disadvantage of hydroponics. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 107. Deficiency of which element is not responsible for death of leaf tissues? First option, molybdenum. Second, calcium. Third, magnesium. Fourth, potassium. The death of leaf tissues is called necrosis, and the elements which are responsible for necrosis are calcium, potassium, magnesium and copper. So calcium, potassium, magnesium, it is true. So molybdenum is not responsible for the necrosis of tissues. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 108. Mark the incorrect match. First option, rhodospirillum, anaerobic nitrogen fixer. Second, azotobacter, aerobic nitrogen fixer. Third, bacillus vulgaris, denitrifying bacteria. Fourth, rhizobium, nitrogen fixation in alpha-alpha. You have to find out the incorrect match over here. Rhodospirillum is an anaerobic nitrogen fixer. Yes, it fixes atmospheric nitrogen and is anaerobic too. Azotobacter, aerobic nitrogen fixer, it is true. Bacillus vulgaris, denitrifying bacteria, no. This bacteria helps in ammonification. What is ammonification? Ammonification is the conversion of the organic nitrogen which is present in the dead animals and the plants into ammonia. So this helps in ammonification, not in denitrification. In denitrification, some other bacteria help, such as Pseudomonas in the thiobacillus. So this is incorrectly matched option. Fourth is rhizobium, nitrogen fixation in alpha-alpha. Yes, it is true that rhizobium fixes nitrogen in alpha-alpha also. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 109. Elements found in ferredoxin are: first option, iron and sulfur. Second, iron and calcium. Third, iron and zinc. Fourth, iron and manganese. What are ferredoxins? Ferredoxins are the iron sulfur proteins which help in the electron transfer in many metabolic reactions. So as I said, these are iron sulfur proteins. So the elements which are found in ferredoxin are iron and sulfur. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 110. Chlorophyll synthesis will be largely affected due to deficiency of which of the following sets of elements? First option, potassium, iron and magnesium. Second, iron, magnesium and calcium. Third, iron, magnesium and zinc. Fourth, potassium, iron and sulfur. So the chlorophyll synthesis will be largely affected by which of the following elements? Potassium and iron both are essential for the synthesis of chlorophyll. And magnesium is a component or the constituent of chlorophyll. So, if there is a deficiency of potassium, iron or magnesium, the chlorophyll synthesis will be largely affected. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question.